Deanne.
Hi, I'm Crystal.
We're with Empowered Mind. We provide resources in health, wellness, and self development so that you can become the very best version of yourself. Hi, guys. We are so excited to talk about this topic. We both love the holidays. I think Christmas is one of our favorite holidays. Our family usually has like a super Christmas dance party, singing party, get dressed up, everything. I mean, it's like a big event on Christmas. So we love the holidays, but we think it's important that the holidays is mixed with self-care. So that's what our topic is about today. Scheduling in time for self-care even during the holiday.
Everyone celebrates the holidays differently. We are just encouraging you all to take some time for a little bit of self-care or a whole lot of self-care. Whatever it is that you need. But I think the first thing that we could do is try to schedule it in because it gets busy, but try to do something where you take time for yourself to really take care of yourself. And also try to be aware of your stress level. I think that the holidays can also add in another layer of stress because we may be having family come over or we are trying to make meals, you may be having a party, whatever it is you're doing for the holidays. It can be stressful, so try to monitor it and do what you need to do to be calm as possible. And then also another thing that you can do for self-care is just being present with the people you love. If you are spending time with people in person, or even if it's virtual and you're having a virtual call or FaceTime or whatever, be in the moment and be present. Really talk to the person, show them you care, spend some time, and be in the present moment. And lastly, take care of your physical health, guys. You know how it goes with the holidays where we just kind of splurge. We splurge when we buy and we splurge when we eat. So, try to take care of yourself. Don't be too hard. Of course, you can do all that you need to do, but try to take care of your physical health too. Don't forget to exercise. Don't forget to eat right whenever you can. And I think those are some of the tips for how you can incorporate self-care into the holidays. And we hope some of these are helpful and will help you guys this holiday season.
Definitely. I completely agree with Crystal. I think those 4 tips are really easy to kind of help during the holidays. And I feel like for me, one of the big thing is, I want to enjoy my food. I want to enjoy a nice pie during Thanksgiving, during Christmas. I don't want to miss any of my Jamaican foods that are coming up. So I'm gonna enjoy it, but I like to still work out. I'm gonna get in as much of a workout as I can. And I think one of the most important tips that I love is to be present. I think the best present you can give people is to be present, to be fully there, to listen, to care, to be responsive, to make them feel welcome and wanted and that you enjoy their time. So I think these are awesome tips. Thank you so much, Crystal, for sharing. I'm definitely going to take some of these tips with me throughout the holiday season. And you guys have a wonderful day. Bye now.